Make your tree one of a kind with DIY ornaments. Glitter foam strips, because everything's better with glitter. Pick your own color combo and follow the steps shown here. The best thing about DIY ornaments is that you can personalize them to your liking. Plus, this can be your little family activity. Gotta love this time of the year. Simple and easy to follow, right? Add a line of hot glue. Little sparkle for your tree. Together, they form a heart shape. Charming little thing. You can leave it as it is, or you can close off the hollow at the center. Looks cute either way. You bet we'll be making a bunch of different colors. Make a loop to hang it in place. There's plenty of glitter there. And we're not complaining. Tell us how yours turned out down below. We'll be waiting. Have fun recreating them. How adorable are these? You'll have a blast.